Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the iPhone XR mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the front screen, it needs to hit gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, you need a good suction cup or something similar to create an opening. Here, we are using a double-sided suction cup with the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book and remove the shield by undoing 3 screws, and then undo the battery plug. Next, take out both screen and earpiece connector shields by undoing 6 screws. Next, undo the screw and remove the bracket, and then disconnect the earpiece assembly plug and both LCD and touch connectors from the board. Next, take out the not working rear camera from the body. First, take out the shield by removing 2 screws, and then disconnect and take out the camera using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, place and connect the new rear camera in the body, and then place the shield by adding 2 screws. Next, add the pre-cardboard seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. Secure the LCD, touch, earpiece assembly and battery plugs into the board. Ensure the connections are secured and then turn on the device for verification. Next, place all three shields and the bracket by adding screws. Be gentle in this process. Next, clamp up the phone. Click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides and finalize the installation by adding the SIM tray and two screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide in iPhone XR mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.